Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Ford Taurus X, stock number 17F1113B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating. Your second row of seats are heated seats, and you do have a rear facing entertainment center here. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors on the back, and this Taurus is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, as well as audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Taurus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.